Galingon, amo lang na ako gusto i-pa-remind subong kay kahuluya gilya pag isang time nga ginaobra ko na di ko mapunggan, hindi ako aware, pero subong sang do nag panumdum ako madalom, dire ko lang na-realize nga do kalain gali nga amo to ako naging action nga masyado bala ka overconfident to the point nga gawin nakal na lang. Although good thing siya, but then ang ilo gani sa ila ginahambal ang sobrang nga bagay kalain. I think that's all for my personal life, and the quote of the data is amo na, balansiha ang tanan nga bagay. Although it's a good thing to be skilled or be good at something, but then if you are being over bala sa sina, for example, if you're good in cooking, although it's a good thing to be a good cook, but then kung medyo sobrahan ka bala sa imong pagiging confident, sa imong kagalingon that you're the best, that you're excellent, that you're doing well, we often forgot to put our self in place. Amo na nga dapat tama-tamaon lang ang mga bagay nga dapat hindi pagsobrahan. Kumbaga sa kabuhi, balansihon lang dapat. Kay if pabayan tangalaan nga maging over kita, there's a chance nga ang manami nga aspect or manami nga bagay sa aton kaugalingon once nga nasusobrahan nagiging kalain na. Amo na nga gid na lugar taton kaugalingon. Balansihon ang tanan. Yes. For example, labi sa aton lifestyle, balansihon ta. Kung hindi ta dapat pag-focus lang aton kagalingon sa isa ka butang, kundi sa iban pagid nga bagay nga may the same value or importance man bala towards sa bagay nga currently nga imo or nakon ginapokusan. Mga muna bala. Always be humble. Being humble is a really greatest strength kidya to keep you in place. Kay not only nga you're not being overconfident or exaggerate sa ang imong action because of that overflowing confident, but it also help you to be more nang panubuon man mo ko galingon you're not thinking that you're above kumpara sa iban. That's the very essence kaya sa pagiging humble. Continue to be more humble, please. You don't need to prove anything sa iban. You just need to prove nang ginaya para sa imo kagalingon and by yourself only. Kay if you're seeking validation or approval towards sa iban para sa imo action, sa imo nagiging action or achievements labi, then there's a chance nga if ever nga for example sila why sila na namian tapos or nakalainan sila ya mismo ay paano na lang na because you are more reliant sa approval or recognition sa iban. If they respond negatively or differently kumpara sa imo gina-expect, then it will really it can potentially destroy yourself or ang mga plan or goals nga imo gusto i-aim. That's why always do the work for yourself, not for others. As much as possible, don't seek recognition or approval. Although it's a good thing man kay if the other recognize your strength or competence, it also boosts your confidence in a lot of ways. But then if amo na lang gid na ang imo do nagiging purpose, the recognition towards sa iban, then it will potentially destroy you in the worst way possible. That's why always do the work for yourself. It's not being selfish actually. It is called being humble and being independent in achieving your goals by yourself or all alone, kay amo na nga daan ang very reality man sa aton life. There's a chance or time nga we're gonna walk alone towards sa path nga aton ginalaktan. And even though someone will join us, but then at the end of the day, as we continue to walk towards that path, we will be going alone, and we're going to face mostly every hard or complicated difficulties nga ahead sa aton. Amo na la, in conclusion, please balansiha tanan nga bagay. Be humble and always do the work for yourself, not for others. As much as possible, don't seek approval or recognition towards sa ila. Kay that's the goal. I think that's all for today. Michaela, please, as always, you know the drill. Continue to be more consistent sa pag-video. And you see the glimpse of the result. That's why regardless ng imo feelings, if you're feeling stressed out, subo ka bala, naakig, or there's a difficult or busy schedule ahead of you, please kindly put that aside and prioritize this goal. Kay this goal really helps you a lot in different ways. It helps your social life to improve. It helps your communication skills to improve. It helps your confidence to improve. As in, tanan nga mga internal nga bagay nga sadto mabudlay, do kabudlay aboton, do kabudlay aim, but then subong mangod sa pag-improve mo consistently sa public speaking skills, you're able to achieve those things nga pagwanta mo sadto is too much or too far for you. That's why continue to be more consistent. You see the glimpse of the result and you know it's gonna be worth it. It's always worth it. And that's all. Please continue regardless of your situation, or may tao ba nga certain people or situation nga daw potentially magapugong sa imo nga maging consistent. Please always brace yourself, be brave enough to prioritize this goal. Kay miski uncertain sa tagisa kaladlokan kag daw too much, but then please always continue to walk toward this. That's all ang gid ako na advice. I feel good subong, as in dugag glow ako in the dark. Humuna ako na namian sa throughout sa almost a month ko nga pag-video in improving my communication skills. Kay I've been seeing different version of myself. There's a time nga daw hindi mapuslan akong jora. There's a time man nga daw stressed out or ng mga negative bala. But then may time man nga daw presko na akong tulokon. Mga bagay bala muna or relax na akong tulokon. Muna bala. I see a different version of myself every day and it's really fun to witness it. That's all for today. Continue to be more consistent and always finish what you start. That's all. Thank you.